Champ Term Book, Series 4. Term 1, Mathematics. Chapter 3, Operation on Whole Numbers. Addition. Addition of two or more larger numbers can be done in the same way as we did in the earlier classes. Study the addition of 5-digit numbers below. Example 1. Add 53,241 and 22,735. Solution. Arranging the numbers, we get 53,241 plus 22,735 equals 75,976. Another method. A. Addition using expanded notation. Practice regrouping. 1 1 1 plus 5 ones equals 6 ones. 2 4 tens plus 3 tens equals 7 tens. 3 200s plus 700s equals 900s. 4 3000s plus 2000s equals 5000s. 5 5 10,000s plus 2 10,000s equals 7 10,000s. Example 2. Add 35,294, 21,531, 12,025. Solution. Arranging the numbers, we get B. Addition with carrying using expanded notation. 1 4 ones plus 1 1 plus 5 ones equals 10 ones equals 1 10 and 0 1. 2 9 tens plus 3 tens plus 2 tens plus carried 1 10 equals 14 tens plus carried 1 10 equals 15 tens equals 100 plus 5 tens. 3 200s plus 500s plus 0 plus carried 100 equals 700s plus carried 100 equals 800s. 4 5000s plus 1000 plus 2000s equals 8000s. 5 3 10,000s plus 2 10,000s plus 1 10,000 equals 6 10,000s. Example 3. Add 321,702, 15,209, 161,725, 50,210. Solution. 321,702 plus 15,209 plus 161,725 plus 50,210 equals 548,846. Example 4. Replace all asterisk s by the correct digits. Solution. Explanation. Add the digits of ones place. 1 plus 2 plus 7 equals 10. To get 2 in the ones place sum, we have to add 2 so that 10 plus 2 equals 12. So replace asterisk in ones place by 2 and carry 1 to the tens column and, thus, in tens place, the sum of the digits is carried 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 4 equals 11. To get 1 in the tens place sum, replace asterisk by 0 and carry 1 to the hundreds column. Adding the digits in hundreds place including carried 1, we get 4 plus 0 plus 5 plus 1 equals 10. To get 3 in hundreds place sum, we have to add 3 to 10. So replace asterisk of hundreds column by 3 and carry 1 to the thousands column. Continue this process until all asterisk s are replaced by appropriate digits. Result. After replacing asterisk by digits, we get subtraction. Subtraction of two larger numbers can be done in the same way as we did in the lower classes. Observe the example. Example 1. Subtract 56203 from 77,516. Solution. 77,516 subtract 56203 equals 21,313. Another method. Subtraction using expanded notation. 1 6 ones 3 ones equals 3 ones. 2 1 10 0 10 equals 1 10. 3 500s 200s equals 300s. 4 7,000 6,000s equals 1,000. 5 7 10,000s 5 10,000s equals 2 10,000s. Example 2. Find the difference between 7, 63,502 and 5, 14,763. Solution. we write the digits of two numbers under the place value headings. Example 3. Replace each asterisk by appropriate digits in. Solution. If we rewrite the sum as an addition sum, we get. Explanation. 1. Since 5 plus 2 equals 7, so replace asterisk in 1's place by 5. 2. Since 3 plus 0 equals 3, so replace asterisk in 10's place by 0. 3. Since 9 plus 7 equals 16, so replace asterisk in hundreds place by 6 and carry 1 to thousands place. 4. Since 7 plus 1 plus 4 equals 12, so replace asterisk in thousands place by 4 and carry 1 to 10,000s place. 5. Since 3 plus 3 plus 1 equals 7, so replace asterisk by 7. 6. Since 3 plus 2 equals 5, so replace asterisk in lots place by 2. Thus, the difference becomes. Multiplication. We know that multiplication is repeated addition. For example, 1 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 10. We write it as 2 times 5 equals 10. 2, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 30. We write it as 5 times 6 equals 30. We also know that 2 times 2 ones equals 4 ones equals 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 5 tens equals 20 tens equals 20 times 10 equals 200. 6 times 5 hundreds equals 30 hundreds equals 30 times 100 equals 3000. 5 times 3 thousands equals 15 thousands equals 15 times 1000 equals 15,000. 6 times 4 thousands equals 24 thousands equals 24 times 1000 equals 24,000. 7 times 5 10,000s equals 35 10,000s equals 35 times 10,000 equals 3 lakhs. 50,000. 3 times 5 lakhs equals 15 lakhs equals 15 times 1 lakh equals 15 lakhs. 4 times 3 lakhs equals 12 lakhs equals 12 times 1 lakh equals 12 lakhs. Multiplication by 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Observe the following multiplications. From the above tables, we learn that 1. To multiply a number by 10, put 1 0 to the right of the number. 2. To multiply a number by 100, put 2 zeros to the right of the number. 3. To multiply a number by 1000, put 3 zeros, 0 0 0, to the right of the number. 4. To multiply a number by 10,000, put 4 zeros, 0 0 0 0, to the right of the number. Note: in general, to multiply a number by 10,000, 100, 1,000, etc., and to get the product, put as many zeros to the right of the number as are in the multiplier. Again, we have 3 times 20 equals 3 times 2 times 10 equals 6 times 10 equals 60. 12 times 30 equals 12 times 3 times 10 equals 36 times 10 equals 360. 15 times 400 equals 15 times 4 times 100 equals 60 times 100 equals 6,000. 36 times 600 equals 36 times 6 times 100 equals 216 times 100 equals 21,600. 25 times 1,200 equals 25 times 12 times 100 equals 300 times 100 equals 30,000. 27 times 15,000 equals 27 times 15 times 1,000 equals 405 times 1,000 equals 4,05,000. So, the rule to be followed is: multiply the number by the number before zeros and then put as many zeros to the right of the product as are in the multiplier. Application: conversion of meters to centimeters. Let us convert meters into centimeters. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. 5 meters equals 5 times 100 centimeters equals 500 centimeters. 12 meters equals 12 times 100 centimeters equals 1,200 centimeters. 150 meters equals 150 times 100 centimeters equals 15,000 centimeters, and so on. Conversion of kilometers into meters and centimeters. We also have learned that 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters equals 1,000 times 100 centimeters equals 1 lakh centimeters. 5 kilometers equals 5 times 1,000 meters equals 5,000 meters equals 5,000 times 100 centimeters equals 5 lakh centimeters. 5 times 3,000 equals 15,000 equals 15 times 1,000 equals 15,000. 6 times 4,000 equals 24,000 equals 24 times 1,000 equals 24,000. 7 times 5 10,000 equals 35 10,000 equals 35 times 10,000 equals 3,50,000. 10 kilometers equals 10 times 1,000 meters equals 10,000 meters equals 10,000 times 100 centimeters equals 10 lakh centimeters, and so on. Conversion of kilograms into grams. We have 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. In short, 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. 3 kilogram equals 3 times 1,000 grams equals 3,000 grams. 5 kilogram equals 5 times 1,000 grams equals 5,000 grams. 100 kilogram equals 100 times 1,000 grams equals 1 lakh grams, and so on. Conversion of liters into milliliters. We have 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. In short, 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. 5 liter equals 5 times 1,000 milliliters equals 5,000 milliliters. 12 liter equals 12 times 1,000 milliliters equals 12,000 milliliters. 100 liter equals 100 times 1,000 milliliters equals 1 lakh milliliters, and so on. Conversion of rupees into paise. We know that rupees 1 equals 100 paise. Rupees 3 equals 3 times 100 paise equals 300 paise. Rupees 10 equals 10 times 100 paise equals 1,000 paise. Rupees 100 equals 100 times 100 paise equals 10,000 paise. Rupees 300 equals 300 times 100 paise equals 30,000 paise. Rupees 5,000 equals 5,000 times 100 paise equals 5 lakh paise, and so on. Multiplication by a 3-digit number. A multiplication sum has 3 parts, namely 1. Multiplicand, 2. Multiplier, 3. Product. Example 1. Multiply 235 by 121. So 235 times 121 equals 28,435. Explanation. Step 1. We multiply the multiplicand 235 by 1 and write the product under the ones place. Step 2. We multiply 235 by 2 and get 470, and write the product under the tens place and write 0, or times, in the ones place. Step 3. We multiply 235 by 1 and write the product under the hundreds place and write 0, 0, or times, to cover tens in ones places. Properties of multiplication. Property 1. Commutative property of multiplication. Let us find the product of two numbers 235 and 123 in two different orders. Thus, we see that 235 times 123 equals 123 times 235. So, the property is that two numbers can be multiplied in any order, but the product remains the same. Property 2. Associative property of multiplication. Let us find the product of three numbers 3, 15, 125 in two different ways. 3 times 15 times 125, and 3 times 15 times 125. In first case, 3 times 15 times 125 equals 3 times 1875 equals 5,625. In second case, 3 times 15 times 125 equals 45 times 125 equals 5,625. 3 times 15 times 125 equals 3 times 15 times 125 equals 5,625. So, the property is that the product of three numbers, in any order, remains the same. Property 3. Distributive property of multiplication. Let us verify the products. 1 3 times 15 plus 10, and 2 3 times 15 plus 3 times 10. In first case, we obtain 3 times 15 plus 10 equals 3 times 25 equals 75. In the second case, we obtain 3 times 15 plus 3 times 10 equals 45 plus 30 equals 75. Thus, we see that 3 times 15 plus 10 equals 3 times 15 plus 3 times 10. Similarly, result can be obtained by 12 times 26 plus 14 equals 12 times 26 plus 12 times 14. 25 times 35 plus 72 equals 25 times 35 plus 25 times 72. 123 times 75 plus 70 equals 123 times 75 plus 123 times 70. Property 4. The product of any number and 1 is the number itself. For example, 624 times 1 equals 624. 786 times 1 equals 786. 1225 times 1 equals 1225, etc. Thus, 1 is called identity element of multiplication. Property 5. When any number is multiplied by 0, the result is 0. For example, 5 times 0 equals 0. 24 times 0 equals 0. 123 times 0 equals 0. Example 1. If a times 437 equals 437 times 25, find the value of a. Solution. According to the commutative property of multiplication, we can write a equals 25. Example 2. If 15 times 23 plus 17 equals 15 times 23 plus 15 times b, what is the value of b? Solution. According to the distributive property of multiplication, here, b equals 17. Example 3. If 135 times 401 equals 54,000 plus a, find the value of a. Solution. 135 times 401 equals 135. 400 plus 1 equals 135 times 400 plus 135 times 1 equals 54,000 plus 135. Thus, 54,000 plus 135 equals 54,000 plus a. A equals 135. Example 4. Simplify, using distributive property. A. 436 times 439 plus 436 times 61. B. 272 times 205 subtract by 272 times 5. Solution. 436 times 439 plus 436 times 61 equals 436. 439 plus 61 equals 436 times 500 equals 218,000. 272 times 205 subtract by 272 times 5 equals 272. 205 subtract by 5 equals 272 times 200 equals 54,400. Division. In your earlier classes, you have already learned how to divide a larger number by a smaller number. Let us discuss the matter once more. Division by one-digit number. Explanation. Step 1. 3 goes into 4 only one time, so we get quotient 1 and write 3 under 4 and subtract. We get 1 as remainder. Step 2. We bring down 2 beside 1 and get 12. 3 goes into 12 only 4 times, so we get quotient 4 and write 12 under 12 and subtract. We get 0 as remainder. Step 3. We bring down 9. 3 goes into 9 only 3 times. So we get quotient 3 and remainder 0. Step 4. We bring down 1. Now 3 goes into 1 only 0 time. So we write quotient as 0 and remainder 1. So quotient equals 1430, remainder equals 1. Check. 1430 multiplied by 3 equals 4290 plus 1 equals 4291. Hence, dividend equals quotient times divisor plus remainder is verified. Division by a two-digit number. Example 2. Divide 5739 by 12. Solution. Explanation. Step 1. Since we cannot divide 5 by 12, so we consider 57 as dividend. Step 2. 12 goes into 57 only 4 times. So we write 4 as quotient and write 12 times 4 equals 48 under 57 and subtract. We get 9 as remainder. Step 3. We bring down 3 beside 9 and get 93 as dividend. Now 12 goes into 93 only 7 times. So we write 7 as quotient and write 12 times 7 equals 84 under 93 and subtract. We get 9 as remainder. Step 4. We bring down 9 beside 9 and get 99 as dividend. 12 goes into 99 only 8 times. So we write 8 as quotient and write 12 times 8 equals 96 under 99 and subtract. We get 3 as remainder. Quotient equals 478 and remainder equals 3. Example 3. Fill in the boxes with the correct digits. Explanation. Step 1. Since 65 times 1 equals 65, we write 65 under 74 and subtract. We get 9. Step 2. We put 5 beside 9 and get 95. Now 65 times 1 equals 65 and 65 times 2 equals 130. As 65 less than 95 less than 130, therefore 65 goes into 95 only one time. Quotient equals 1. Now 95 minus 65 equals 30 as remainder. Step 3. We bring down 8 beside 30 and get 308. Now 65 times 4 equals 260. So, we put 260 under 308 and subtract. 308 minus 260 equals 48. Now put 6 beside 48 and get 486. Now 65 goes into 486, 7 times. 65 times 7 equals 455. We put 455 under 486 and subtract. We get 31 as remainder. Example 4. Divide 45,623 by 45. Thus, quotient equals 1013, remainder equals 38. Estimating sums. Estimating addition sums. Example. There are 34 boys and 17 girls in a class. Estimate the total number of students in the class. Solution. 34 plus 17. For estimating, round 34 and 17 to the nearest 10. 34 is rounded to 30. 17 is rounded to 20. Estimated sum equals 30 plus 20 equals 50. Actual sum equals 34 plus 17 equals 51. Difference equals 51 minus 50 equals 1. Hence, the difference between the estimated sum and actual sum is 1. Actual sum is 1 more than the estimated sum. Estimating subtraction sums. Example. There are 63 trees in one garden and 48 in the other. Estimate the difference in the number of trees in two gardens. Solution. 63 subtract by 48. Rounding to the nearest 10. 63 is rounded to 60. 48 is rounded to 50. Estimated difference equals 60 minus 50 equals 10. Actual difference equals 63 minus 48 equals 15. Difference in the actual and estimated number of trees equals 15 minus 10 equals 5. Hence, the actual difference is 5 more than the estimated difference. Estimating multiplication sums. Example. Estimate the following products to the nearest 10. 56 times 34. 68 times 75. 412 times 276. Solution. 56 times 34. Rounding the numbers to the nearest 10, we get 56, 60, 34, 30. Estimated product equals 60 times 30 equals 1,800. Actual product equals 56 times 34 equals 1,904. Difference in the two products equals 1,904 minus 1,800 equals 104. Hence, actual product is greater by 104. 268 times 75. Rounding the numbers to the nearest 10, we get 68, 70, 75, 80. Estimated product equals 70 times 80 equals 5,600. Actual product equals 68 times 75 equals 5,100. Difference in the two products equals 5,600 minus 5,100 equals 500. Hence, the estimated product is greater by 500. 3412 times 276. Rounding the numbers to the nearest 10, we get 412, 410, 276, 280. Estimated product equals 410 times 280 equals 114,800. Actual product equals 412 times 276 equals 113,712. Difference in the two products equals 114,800 minus 113,712 equals 1,088. Hence, estimated product is greater by 1,088. Estimating division sums. Example. Estimate approximate quotient for the following. 434 divided by 16. 675 divided by 24. Solution. 434 divided by 16. Rounding 434 to the nearest 100 and 16 to the nearest 10, we get 434, 400, 16, 20. Estimated approximate quotient equals 400 divided by 20 equals 40 divided by 2 equals 20. Hence, the approximate quotient is 20. 2675 divided by 24. Rounding the numbers to the nearest 100, we get 675, 700, 24, 20. Estimated approximate quotient equals 700 divided by 20 equals 70 divided by 2 equals 35. Hence, the approximate quotient is 35.